everyone, welcome to Bytecode Academy. My name is Guillaume.
And my name is Lakshay, and today we have an exciting topic for all you new aspiring computer enthusiasts out there.
We'll be discussing the best programming language to start learning, especially if you are new to the world of coding.
Whether you want to build software, build website, or just simply explore the world of programming, choosing the right programming language is very crucial. So let's dive right in.
First off, you have Python. Python is often known as the first programming language for beginners.
It has a simple and clean syntax that makes it easy to read and write code.
Take a look at this straightforward Python code. It's quite intuitive, right? Python's versatility also means you can use it for a wide range of projects, from web development to data analysis and more. This code showcases Python's simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners who want to start learning programming. In this code, we created a list of numbers called numbers. Then we created the sum of the number using sum function, and then we calculated the average by dividing the sum by the length of the list, and then we printed the average. Next off, we have JavaScript. If you want to learn web development, JavaScript is the most learned language. It allows you to create interactive and dynamic websites. Here's a simple JavaScript code snippet. With JavaScript, you can add functionality and interactivity to your web page, making it a powerful choice for front-end development. This JavaScript code demonstrates that the language is also approachable and easy to understand, especially for beginners who are getting started with programming. This code creates an array of numbers called numbers, just like we did in Python, and then we use a for loop to iterate through the array and calculate the sum of the numbers. Then we calculated the average by dividing the sum by the length of the array, and then we finally use console.log to print or display the average in the console.
Moving on, let's talk about Java. Java is known for its write once and run anywhere capability, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to go into object-oriented programming.
Here is a snippet of Java code. It's highly popular in the world of enterprise software development and Android development, making it a valuable skill to have. In this code, we start by defining an array of numbers, and then we initialize a variable sum to be equals to 0. This variable will store the sum of all the numbers in the array. Then we used a for loop to iterate through each number in the array. Inside the loop, we add each number to the sum, and after the loop, we calculate the average by dividing the sum by the number of elements in the array, that is, the length of the array. Then finally, we display the original number, the sum, and the average to the console using system.out.println. Now, if you're a beginner or introducing coding to kids, Scratch is the best option.
It's a visual programming language designed to teach coding concept in a fun and interactive way.
This is an example of a Scratch code. These are just the few programming language out there.
The best programming language depends on your goals and interests.
But remember, the most important thing is to start programming and practicing.
So there you have it, our top picks for programming languages to learn as a new beginner.
Whether it's Python, JavaScript, Java, or Scratch, each has its unique advantage.
The key to choose is the one that aligns with your goals and interests.
Before we wrap up, I have a special request. We are on a mission to reach 300 subscribers before the end of this year, and we will love your support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on an update. Also, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your support means the world to us as we continue to create more exciting content on programming and tech. Happy coding, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Bytecode Academy. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, keep exploring the endless possibility of the digital world. See you in the next video.